Have you ever wondered about the intricate workings of massive ships that traverse the oceans? Behind their colossal structures and complex systems lies a fascinating field known as marine engineering. This field offers a unique blend of engineering expertise and maritime adventure. Let's dive deep into the world of marine engineering, exploring the multifaceted role of a marine engineer. We'll uncover the daily tasks, necessary skills, work environment, challenges, and rewards that come with this profession. Marine engineering is a demanding yet rewarding career path. It's perfect for those with a passion for technology and a love for the sea. This essay will provide a complete guide to understanding the intricacies of this profession. Whether you're a student exploring career options or someone curious about this unique field, this exploration will offer valuable insights. Get ready to uncover the secrets of these maritime masters. A marine engineer is a vital crew member responsible for the operation, maintenance, and repair of a ship's propulsion system and other onboard machinery. Imagine yourself on a colossal cargo ship ensuring the smooth functioning of gigantic engines. This is just a glimpse into the life of a marine engineer. Their responsibilities extend beyond engine rooms. They handle electrical systems, pumps, hydraulics, and other essential equipment. They troubleshoot technical issues, conduct regular inspections, and ensure the ship's systems comply with safety regulations. Think of them as the doctors of the ship, diagnosing problems and providing treatment to keep the vessel sailing smoothly. A marine engineer's toolkit includes a range of specialized equipment. They work with pressure gauges, multimeters, and welding tools to maintain the ship's vital systems. Their office is not a cubicle but a dynamic environment that demands adaptability and problem solving skills. They collaborate closely with the captain, officers, and fellow engineers to ensure the vessel's safe and efficient operation. Working as a marine engineer means embracing a unique and challenging work environment. Picture yourself sailing across vast oceans, the rhythmic hum of the ship's engine your constant companion. This is the reality for marine engineers, who often work long hours in the engine room's heat and noise. The engine room is the heart of the ship, and marine engineers are its guardians. They work in confined spaces, surrounded by complex machinery. They often work in shifts, ensuring the ship operates smoothly around the clock. The work can be physically demanding, requiring strength and stamina to handle heavy equipment and work in challenging conditions. Collaboration is key in this profession. Marine engineers work closely with a diverse team, including the captain, deck officers, and fellow engineers. Effective communication and teamwork are crucial for coordinating tasks, solving problems, and maintaining a safe working environment. They rely on each other's expertise and support to overcome the challenges of life at sea. Life at sea as a marine engineer is not without its challenges. Imagine being thousands of miles from shore facing a critical engine failure. This scenario highlights the demanding nature of the job. Marine engineers must be prepared to handle unexpected situations, often under intense pressure. They need to troubleshoot technical problems quickly and efficiently to minimize downtime and ensure the safety of the crew and cargo. They might have to work long hours, sometimes in challenging weather conditions, to complete repairs and keep the ship running. Being away from family and friends for extended periods can also be emotionally challenging. Despite the challenges, marine engineers develop resilience and adaptability. They learn to work independently and as part of a team, relying on their skills and experience to navigate difficult situations. The ability to remain calm under pressure, think critically, and find solutions is essential for success in this field. While the life of a marine engineer is demanding, it also comes with significant rewards and opportunities. Imagine the sense of accomplishment after successfully repairing a critical system, ensuring the ship and its crew reach their destination safely. This feeling of accomplishment is a driving force for many marine engineers. The career path offers competitive salaries and benefits packages, reflecting the specialized skills and demanding nature of the work. Marine engineers often have opportunities to travel now the world, experiencing different cultures and visiting exotic locations. With experience and further education, they can advance to senior level positions, such as chief engineer, overseeing all technical aspects of a vessel. The demand for skilled marine engineers remains high, offering job security and career growth potential. Moreover, the ever evolving maritime industry constantly presents new challenges and learning opportunities. From working on traditional diesel engines to embracing cutting edge green technologies, marine engineers are at the forefront of innovation. If you seek a career that combines technical expertise, problem solving skills, and a sense of adventure, marine engineering might be the perfect fit. Explore the field further, connect with professionals in the industry, and discover the exciting world of maritime engineering.